Well, hey folks, how's it all going? What do you got there, Tom? Hey, I took a potato and turned them into waffle fries. Oh man, are they good. On an air fryer. Imagine that, folks. You want to see how I do it? Keep on watching. We'll show you how to take that, put it into there, and turn it into that. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Keep on watching. All right, folks, let's make our waffle fries here. So this is a German brand, I believe. It's called, well, you can pronounce it however you want. I guess Borner, or I don't know. You could have a lot of fun with this, but it's got two settings. One, which is right there, that's the thickest, and two is what we're going to use, and then it's got a safe position that lifts it up so you can't cut your fingers off. So yeah, this is kind of like it when you watch me use the guillotine, or I know people correct me and say it's a mandolin. That it's like watching the car races for when there's the car crash, or I cut off my fingers. But I do have the old safety device here. We're just going to start without the safety device. So I did a couple already. You can see kind of what they look like, and it's simple to do. You can see you got the ridges there, and every time you do a cut, then you just come back, you turn it 180, and then you just take a look at it, and then just give her a rip. And there's your waffle fry. You turn it back, and then there's your waffle fry. There's your waffle fry. There's your waffle fry. There's another waffle fry. There's another waffle fry. And and that's what they look like. It's super simple to do, but I have it under good authority from my wife that this is the brand you use, the Borner brand, I guess. So we'll finish cutting these up and then put them in the air fryer. Stay tuned for that. All right, folks, soaked them in water for, it was about 10-15 minutes. Drain them off real good. Now, you could stop at this process right now and put them in the air fryer, but I'm going to put just a tad bit of oil on there. I got, you know how I love that stir fry oil from Zhang's, garlic infused. So I'll show you how much I'm going to put on there. Just a little bit. A couple little drizzles here and there. And then we're going to toss it up. Try and get as much of it, just a little light coat of oil in there. And then we're going to put a little bit of seasoning on there. I love that. You know how I love the Morton's Nature Seasoning. Just a little bit. Toss that up. All right, let's get out the air fryer. All right, let's remember that was one potato. That was not a large, but it was medium to large potato. And then, let me get you over so you can see what we're doing here. To the Cosori we go. You know that 95% of everything I cook is always at 400, so we'll just adjust it to 400. 15 minutes, we'll leave it on. We're actually, you know what, let's go to time here and just bump it down to 8, and we'll give you a look-see and toss them up at 4. Stay tuned for that. There she goes. All right, folks, 4 minutes. Let's take a look here. Yeah, they're cooking up a little bit. Give them a quick shake here, spread them all around a little bit. And back in they go. Give you another look-see or two, and we'll be eating good tonight. All right, folks, I'll give you one more look-see before we plate them up. I did bump the time up a little bit. This is probably now going on probably 9 minutes, but let's take a quick look-see. Oh yeah, those are definitely those are definitely done. So get them plated up here and give you one final look-see. All right, so there's the final product. Yeah, waffle fries, on an air fryer. Imagine that. It was actually really good. Folks, remember, if I can do it, so can you. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.